Okay, so I'm revisiting this water heater. They say that it just heats the water for one time through and then it goes out and they have to relight it. And I'm not 100% sure what's going on with it. I have a feeling it might be blowing out the pilot light when it relights. So I went ahead and replaced the glass. And I think I'm going to put a different circuit board on it. Alright, so we're gonna hope that takes care of it. Possible when it was firing up that it was creating some kind of back pressure that was blowing itself out. Or it could have been the circuit board. Seems like a lot of times it's the circuit board, so just to avoid having to come back out here again, we took care of those two things. And then we will wait to hear from them to see if that got it. And hopefully we won't have to come out a third time. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to the channel. I am off to another service call. I'll see you in a minute. It's washed out with sunlight.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He wants to replace this heater anyway.
Yeah.
He was telling me.
He says he bought it 4 years ago. Yeah, remember he had to, if I remember him putting it in, I don't remember.
No, it's really old.
Yeah.
It's not a. It was a little weird about the size of it in the burner or something.
Yeah.
He says he got it. He got it used. But yeah, maybe he put it in 4 years ago.
Maybe.
But it's older than 4 years.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the gas is on.
I was editing a photo for the past hour. There's a lady, a friend who called me. Her dad passed away, I don't know, a few days ago.
Mm-hmm.
And they're gonna have his service in November 16th, I believe. And the mom found the photo that she wants to blow it up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I'm like, well, what kind of file do you have of the photo? And she, was talking about. So it turned out it was a cell phone picture, horrible quality,
right.
overblown areas.
Yeah.
So she even.
Oh no.
So I gotta fix it.
Yeah. Let me see if.
See what's going on.
This feels a lot like exactly what happened last time I was there. Oh, there you go. So the pilot light's going. I'm not even getting any kind of stats, but here. Stay on. Alright, well, let me go get a different circuit board.
Okay.
Because I'm sure I more, and then they had a bunch of kittens, and by the time I could get on top of it, it was like,
We used to have
10,000 cats later. Oh, they're nice. Yeah.
Oh, she was huge, man.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen a cat that big. And she had kittens. We gave them all away.
Mm-hmm.
And then she got out of the house one day and she never came back.
Oh, really?
Couldn't find her, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they like to go outside. You can't.
There's a lady here in the 2-story house on your right side. She's got like 35 cats.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too many.
Yeah, when her husband passed away.
She went cat crazy.
Yeah,
It's hard to get on top of them though. Like they start breeding and it's just like it gets tough. Cause I'm still trying to get them all fixed and give all the kittens away and all that. You know, it's like a full-time job that doesn't pay very well.
I know that. I wanted to get it fixed, and then somebody told me, contact the Humane Society. They'll do it like for a minimal fee, right? I went to their website. They were like a year out for appointments.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've been getting a lot of them done there.
Have you?
Yeah, I bring them in as, you tell them it's a community cat,
Yeah.
so they'll be like, is this your pet? And you say no, you say it's a community cat. And
We'll do a fix.
they'll do like, yeah, they'll just shots and everything for free.
Really?
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Shit, thanks for that.
Yeah, you just tell them it's a community cat.
And they'll let you keep it?
Yeah, well, they just want your address so they can either, if you can't pick it up, they'll just drop it off at your house and it'll, all my cats are outside though.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
I
you
never
can
thought of that.
totally, that's the key word, as you say, community cat.
Yeah.
It's not my pet.
Yep.
Whether it is or isn't. Anyway. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn over here. So let's, oh. Well, this just popped out. Yeah, I know. Well, this circuit board's shot now because this little pin came out.
Mm-hmm.
And this little pin, they come out all the time, but it might have been starting to get loose or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But I think this is toast. But if it happens again,
Mm-hmm.
we can change the valve. I think you probably just had a bad circuit board, is my guess. Like everything's just starting to kind of go on this heater.
Mm-hmm.
And he wants to replace it anyway, so as soon as I get him a decent one, he's gonna replace it. So I think that's it. But you know, there's a chance it could go out again. You might need to relight it. Hopefully you don't, but I can't guarantee you won't. You know.